Alright, G200 front brake pad replacement. It's pretty easy. You only need a couple of tools. 14mm flathead, G-clamp, wheel brace and trolley jack. Right. And you need a new brake pads. I went with, what have we got here? eBay special. I think I paid 35 bucks. They're not bad. Used it before on a different car. Anyway, so yeah, jack it up, take the wheel off, get to the brake caliper. Now, for the ease of the video, I'm just going to skip a bit, but yeah, basically, grab your 14mm, undo these two. Already loose, of course, I've already cracked them. There's the two main bolts that hold the whole central caliper on. You look at these two arms, you see that. Now, it's different on many different models, but you get the gist from just any old car. But anyway, I'll pause this and grab these two bolts out. Alright, so I've undone these two bolts. There's only so much thread and then they're pins, as you can see. Careful not to damage your little rubbery boots. Pull them out, they're both the same. Now, you gotta be gentle on these boots, depending on your age of your car, but you pull them back and slide the whole caliper straight up. But try not to drop it. You don't want to break the hoses. Jerry rig it on the swing arm. Leave that for now, you don't need it. So get your brake pads out. Flathead. Just get in there and give it a whack and then try and lever it out evenly without damaging your disc. One. Yeah, have a look and see that one's, yeah, it's had a bit of a wear. Still looks like there's plenty of meat on there. You can go for another 100,000 on that, no worries. Sure. Anyway, here's the difference. You see one pad's worn unevenly, and how much meat there is difference. I bought this car 50,000 k's ago. And I only just started squeaking, making all sorts of noise. I just thought, well, cheap as chips, buy a new one. Upgrade, don't get the $17 ones, buy the $35 ones, why not? Anyway, easy drop in. One. Well, back at that one. Don't want to go in even. There we go. All good. Now, grab your G-clamp. Grab your caliper. Let's see, it's a better way to do this without breaking the hose. Be careful of this. Basically, you want to get that in there. Squeeze the piston down. Luckily I've got a tripod to make it a little bit easier, but still holding onto the caliper and doing it all at once is rather difficult. There we go. Now this is a 94 model, so that little rubber boot around the brake is a little bit old and perished. That should be right. It's a charade, mate. Of course it'll be right. So don't do a lot of pressure, but just push it back reasonably as far as you can, get enough room, and drop it straight back on. There's your brakes pad. There's your brakes changed. You just got to seat your boots back in. I didn't take any care about those, but anyway. Let me whack our pins back in. I'm going to do a crap off that one. Doing it in the backyard driveway, doesn't really matter. There's a lip on that one. There is no lip on that one. maybe there is a way these go. There you go, see, this is what happens when you don't follow the instructions properly. There we go. So I'll do these back up and then I'll show you. Job done. Bolts back on, caliper back in, and all I got to do is put my foot on the brake a couple of times to make sure the reservoir bottle is full. Yeah, simple. Cheers.